Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. In the previous video we created this website. In this website we can add, delete, edit, and retrieve movies details. But the problem is even a guest user can modify our data. What we are going to do in this video, is to create an admin role, and make our website role-based. In this way only an admin can add, delete, and edit data. Or we can also create other limited roles for this website in the same way. So let's get started. Open startup.cs file in Visual Studio. We shall create a function in startup to create roles and admin user with administrator role. We use application DB context to manage application database. To use application DB context, we need to use movie store models. We create an instance of role manager, and one for user manager. For this we need to use Microsoft ASP.NET Identity. Role manager manages roles, while user manager manages users. Now we check if admin role exists or not. If not, we create it. We name it as administrator. Now we create a user, and assign it the role of administrator. We name this user as admin. We set its email and password. Password is assigned separately. After the user is created, we assign it the administrator role. Now we create another role in the same way. Save the file. Now open Account View Models to add a support for usernames. By default email is used as username. First, we remove email from Login View Model, instead we use usernames for logging in. In Register View Model, we add support for username. Now we change their views to make them visible. In login.cs file, change email to username. In register.cs file, we need to add a new field for username. Now we go to controller to change account controller according to our models. In post login method, replace email with username. In post register method, assign username as model username instead of model email. Now to restrict some areas of website for administrators only, we open our movie controller. Here we specify to authorize only administrator rows. We can add multiple roles here, each separated by a comma. We put this tag on all the methods we want to make accessible only by administrator. These methods are create, delete, and edit. Let's run the application. Now we cannot access create, edit, and delete pages. We log in as admin to access. And we did it. We have created role-based access. Now we make role-based views. In this way we only show these buttons only to admin user. Open Movies Index view. We need to hide this create button. To write C# code in HTML, we need to put @ at the beginning. We check if user is in admin role, only then show this create link. We do the same for edit and delete buttons. Now run the application again. We can see that create, edit, and delete buttons are disappeared. There's an edit button in details page, you can hide it in the same way. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video.